Here's a website worth noting. It's a time zone converter, and you get to it by going to TimeZones.digital, a site worth adding to your bookmarks. For me, I'm just going to throw it in my Tools folder so that anytime I need it, it's easy to reach. When you first go to this site, it'll ask permission to access your location and time zone, something you can either grant or deny. I allowed it so that it has my time zone pinned as the first item and can reference all other selections to your time zone. When you select the plus sign, you get to add other places. The first place I added was Los Angeles in the US, and then for the fun of it, I added Los Angeles in Chile. And you see, it gives you the different times and the different time zones. Greenwich Mean Time -3, GMT -7, and mine is GMT -6. Now you can leave these items on here, or if you don't need them anymore, just get rid of them. Or simply edit the information. Type the name of a city, and it will give you the information for the next one. So let's put in Prague and go to the other side of the ocean. For them, it's already afternoon, and it's plus 8 hours compared to my time. Greenwich Mean Time, GMT +2. Handy little tool, add it to your toolbar. And the next time you need to find out what time it is in a different city, don't wind up being late or getting there too early. Stay safe, stay secure. I hope that helps. And thanks for watching and listening.